To add a student photo in Microsoft School Manager, there is two ways. You can add photo during admission, and you can change it later, if required. Microsoft School Manager only supports high-quality pictures, like bitmap image. You can convert any kind of picture into BMP file. In this case, this is a JPG file. To convert JPG file into BMP file, you need to follow a few steps. Select the photo, and click right mouse button. Go to Open with option, and click on Paint. It will open your picture in Paint. Click on File tab, and select the Save As option. Go to Save As type, and select 24-bit bitmap. Click on Save button to save the image. Now your picture is converted to BMP file. To add picture, go to Admission and Fee. Click on Admit Student button, or you can press Alt-A on your keyboard. Fill the form, and at the end, click on Search button to upload the photo. You can press Alt-H, either. Select the picture we recently converted to BMP image, and click on Open button. Successfully upload. Once the picture uploaded, click on OK button, or press Alt-K on your keyboard to save that record. You are included one student. The picture will be stored in your computer. Or if you are using cloud-based storage, then it will be stored in cloud-based storage. You can see the stored picture by following the database path. In case, if you are using system database, then it will be stored in Pictures. You will see a folder with the name Microsoft Lab. Click on that folder. You will see some child folders. Click on Students folder, and then the picture will appear on the screen. If you delete a student, then the picture will be deleting automatically. To change or add picture of an existing student, go to Admission and Fee. Select the student which you want to add picture. Then, click on Pay Fee button. Or you can press Alt-P, either. The fee payment window will be visible on your screen. Click on Search button, or press Alt-H on your keyboard to upload picture. Select the BMP image, and click on Open button to save changes. Successfully upload. If you select the student, then you will see the picture of that student in picture box. It will also visible when you are creating fee payment receipt or print identity card.